Hi everyone and welcome again. Today I will show you how to set a Zoom profile picture. Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing platform that lets people connect virtually from anywhere in the world. Whether it's for work meetings, online classes, webinars, or just catching up with friends and family. Zoom makes face-to-face communication easy and accessible. So first you need to go into your browser. We go into that website zoom.us. We click on sign up for free if you don't have an account. If you have one, just click on sign in. uh, for me, I'm using my Gmail. Okay. Then once you are in your account, go to this icon, your picture icon, then go here, click on that one, click on my account on the left side of the browser, then click on profile. Now we are on that page. In this page you can adjust your profile, and what we want to do is to change or to set up our profile picture. So we just click on that one, click on change, then choose or take a photo if you'd like to. So you just can set up a picture from here, or uh, you can open your files and choose a picture from your file. Okay, I choose that one. It's the zoom icon. Once you are finished, you go to click into save, and we set a profile picture, and that's it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching that video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and that's it. Thank you so much guys.